Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, a new video for my YouTube channel. And today guys, I will talk and fix this 2015 Hyundai Sonata Turbo. And let's go closer, explain you guys what is the problem. So I found already the problem is I used the scanner to scan the car, and the particular car has issue with rear left speed sensor. I got one. I have a parked car behind the garage and I got a used one. I'm gonna go and replace it, but I'm gonna, guys, I'll explain you everything about this code and this problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and scan again the car for you guys to see the code number, and I'll give you more info about it. And also after this, I'm gonna go and do the whole process how I'm replacing the wheel hub on 2015 Hyundai Sonata Turbo. All right, so we turn the ignition on, and right there you guys can see the three lights: check engine, ABS, and traction control. That's basically on our code. It's only the two in the middle, the ABS and traction control light. The check engine and tire pressure is on because of the ignition is on. So let's go ahead and scan the car quick. I'm gonna skip all these parts. So I'm gonna actually just go ahead and go to control unit and then go right here. I'm gonna go to ABS and get the trouble code. All right, so as you see here guys, we got the C1206. It's called a status active, which is it's left rear vehicle speed sensor, circuit open or short. Just telling you right away guys, I lift up the car as you see, and I definitely did check the wire, because in many cases the wire sensor that goes basically from the main wire harness all the way to the speed sensor, it's cut, it's cracked, something's going on with it. So the only option guys now is to take this tire out, and I'm gonna use the 21mm to take the lug nuts out, and then go ahead and remove the whole braking assembly. So I'm gonna take the brake pads out, I'm gonna take the caliper bracket out, the caliper, and I'm gonna take the rotor out, because we need to remove the whole wheel hub assembly. Now guys, we're gonna go ahead and remove these two bolts on 14mm. Guys, so here is the caliper. That's what I was talking about. Another two bolts on 14mm has to be removed to take the caliper bracket out, and remove these two bolts for the rotor. And make sure guys you take the emergency brake off. So once you've been able to take the bolt out, you're gonna be able easy to remove the rotor. You need a little small hammer. So shake it a little bit, just like that. And here we go guys. We got the rotor out. So what we're gonna do next is prepare a long socket 14mm, and we're going ahead and remove the 4 bolts behind the wheel hub. I'll show you to where, but before that guys, I'll show you how to remove the connector. So here is the connector, right? It's right there, placed into the wheel hub speed sensor in the back. And in order to remove this connector, you guys gotta press this clip, metal clip like that, and pull out. So it's sitting like this. You press the clip and pull up and it will come easily out. Make sure you are pressing this clip all the way down, otherwise it's not gonna come out. And now what we're gonna do is, as you see there guys, there's two, another two right here. So we're going to place the socket like that and get the wrench and unscrew each bolt from behind the wheel hub. So we are going to remove right now the last bolt, and you guys can see the wheel hub it's kind of wiggly, just like that guys. We got the wheel hub out. Here is basically all this sits like that when you're putting everything back together. Let's go ahead and replace this wheel hub with our new one. It's not new, but it's used, but it's a good one. So make sure you're placing it this way. It goes like that, like this, with the sensor up. So guys, right now I'm gonna go ahead, and the way you removed it, the same process you repeat, only backwards, is to put everything back together and go ahead and give it a try, see if the code is gone. All right guys, so I want to test drive, and without putting the scanner, all the codes went off. So I'm gonna just start the car and show it to you too. But here we go guys. As you see, I just popped the hood because I gotta clean the headlights a little bit, but that's the only thing. As you see, there's no lights. I used to have tire pressure. I had also traction control, ABS, and also the sensor, the kind of blind spot sensors that's placed into the rear bumper. They were not working too, because the ABS and traction control are related to the blind spot system. So if your sensor, speed sensor, your speed sensor or anything related to ABS or traction control module, if there's a faulty code and stuff like that, then your blind spot is not going to work. So mention that if you have a problem with your ABS and your blind spot does not work, or you have a malfunction on your screen where it shows that rear sensors are not working and needs programming and stuff, so wait for that. Don't touch the sensors in the bumper, don't do anything with the blind spot yet. Fix your ABS, fix your traction control module codes. Make sure you don't have any lights on your dashboard about ABS and traction, and then if you still have your blind spot, then it's definitely something else. But in my case, everything went off actually for real, without touching the scanner, without scanning the car, without erasing the codes. Everything went off. I'm really glad everything got fixed up, and it's really cool. This is it. Our codes are fixed. The speed sensor is replaced. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these headlights. As you see, pretty dirty. I have actually a video how to clean the headlights on any kind of cars. I'm pretty sure you can use that video on your own car too. I'm gonna just attach the video below in the description, so you can definitely do that too. That's it guys. I guess that was mechanic mode. If you really liked the video and this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up, a comment below, and see you next time.